Welcome to video 4 of ABEJAS. Honeybee overwintering behavior is a complex adaptation that combines physiological changes, social behaviors, and strategic use of resources to ensure the survival of a colony throughout the winter season. In this video, we will discuss how honeybees prepare for winter and how you can help them have a better chance of overwintering successfully. The physiological changes between summer honeybees, which are active during the warmer months, and winter honeybees, which need to live through colder conditions, are crucial for colony survival. As you saw in the training video about the life cycle of a honeybee, summer worker bees live for about 4 to 8 weeks. In contrast, winter honeybees have a longer lifespan of several months. This extended lifespan helps them survive until the population increases in the spring. Winter worker bees have a higher fat content, a lower metabolic rate, and are less active compared to summer worker bees. These changes help bees conserve energy during periods of reduced foraging activity and cold temperatures. The transition from summer to winter bees involves changes in hormone levels that influence development, behavior, and longevity. These changes help the bees adapt to different food availability and environmental conditions. Successfully overwintering requires 4 basic things: plenty of healthy bees, a strong queen, plenty of stored food, and adequate ventilation. Honeybee colonies survive winter by clustering together inside of the hive and thermoregulating. The cluster is formed around the queen and is composed of worker bees. The bees on the outer layer of the cluster generate heat by vibrating their flight muscles and maintaining a temperature of around 93 to 95 Fahrenheit within the cluster. The size of the cluster in the late fall can help a beekeeper make inferences on the likelihood of winter survival. Ideally, the cluster of bees would span across the box. If the cluster is small, you can supplement the colony by combining 2 weaker colonies together. Before winter, beekeepers should ensure the queen is healthy and laying eggs properly. A strong and vigorous queen will help the colony maintain population levels necessary for winter survival. Replacing a queen in late fall can be challenging and is not recommended unless necessary. If requeening is necessary in the late fall, due to issues such as a failing queen or defensive behaviors, you could combine the weaker colony with a stronger one. Make sure honeybees have an adequate amount of stored food to survive the winter. Honeybees focus on conserving their resources in the fall and winter. In cold climates, there will be no brood production during parts of winter, and therefore the bees will consume little to no protein. Honey is their primary source of energy during winter. Adequate ventilation is crucial to prevent moisture buildup inside of the hive, which can lead to fungal diseases or suffocation. Ensure the hive entrance is clear. Your operation will likely specify strategies for how to adequately ventilate hives in your region. Additionally, it is critical to ensure the hive is level to reduce moisture accumulation that can occur if the hive is tilted back. If wintering outside in windy areas, it might be necessary to build structures or secure hives with ratchet straps to prevent them from blowing over or lids blowing off. We will teach you more about pests and pathogens in an upcoming module, but management of pests and diseases is extremely important in helping bees survive the winter. Varroa destructor is one of the most damaging pests to honeybees. These mites can weaken colonies and reduce their ability to make it through winter. Treatments such as oxalic acid, formic acid, amitraz, thymol, or other approved miticides should be applied according to the recommended schedules and thresholds to reduce mite levels before winter. Check for signs of common honeybee diseases, such as nosema, American foulbrood, chalkbrood, and European foulbrood. If diagnosed, implement appropriate treatments or management strategies before winter. Now that you know how honeybees prepare for winter and how you can help them prepare, you can implement some of these strategies to increase overwintering success. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and leave us a comment below to let us know what additional topics you would like us to cover in future videos.